Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to enable and use the domain filter on Cudy AX1800. Let's begin. I'm currently on Cudy.net website. You can access this website on any time, on any device, as long as it's connected to your Cudy network. Anyway, we want to head to Advanced Settings, and right under Security we should see Domain Filter. As you can see, the filter itself is currently disabled. We can click this in order to see two more options. We can allow all except listed, or we can allow listed only. This way you can create a blacklist, so any website, any domain is by default available except those that you input. Or you can switch to whitelist, meaning that every single domain by default is not available, but you can only access those that you will manually list. I will stay with the blacklist, and I will hit this add in order to add some custom domain. For example, I can add youtube.com, and I can I can add a comment that I hate YouTube. Then I simply hit save and apply, and now we wait for changes to be applied. After the changes have been applied, we can try to head to the youtube.com, and as you can see, we aren't even able to enter this website at all, because this website is now currently blacklisted from our network. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.